Did you know the world's largest waterfall is in the ocean, under the Denmark Strait, which separates Iceland from Greenland? Warm surface waters flow northward, gradually losing heat to the atmosphere and sink. The denser cold water flows southward along the seafloor and eventually spills over an undersea ridge in the strait. The height of the Denmark Strait Cataract is approximately 11,500 feet, or 3,500 meters. The tallest waterfall on land, Venezuela's Angel Falls, is only 3,212 feet, or 980 meters. Now you know. The Cultural Exchange and Enrichment Center